It brings me great joy to do this video. Honey, today we at the Dollar Tree in Nutley, New Jersey. Check it out. They are just too fancy. Honey, Lady Bird. Honey, you did your thing like a chicken wing with. Okay, my loves, you know when I got these on, it's game time. I mean, these glasses are thicker than nobody business. These are some thick bifocals, but check this out, all new items at Dollar Tree. You with me? And then I seen it. Check this out, honey. Am I good? Am I good at what I do? Check this out. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these fancy pancy glasses. Oh my goodness. Now, I believe these are $1.50. They come in different colors. They have the orange, the red, the green. They also have these little pumpkin tumblers over here with the straws. These are $1.50 as well. Honey, these are given. All right? Honey, giving and it ain't Thanksgiving, okay? Now, green and orange, they come in, honey. Dollar Tree ain't playing out here. Now, throughout this video, Sugarfoot, Sugar Lump, Sugar Plump, okay? Have you seen this? Have you seen this? Now, you may be singing, this is the Strip It Down 20 count acetone nail polish remover wipes. Dollar Tree is out here giving it. So if you need something to remove your the nail polish, honey, you better go on and grab you one of these. When I tell you this Dollar Tree, honey, they went all out. They wasn't playing. They said, you know what, we gonna just put everything out. That's what they said. We gonna give them everything. Check this. They are just too fancy. Honey, Lady Bird. Honey, you did your thing like a chicken wing with these nails. You delivered, girl. I don't know if you a girl or a guy, but Lady Bird, I mean, it's giving feminine, okay? Honey, 12 pieces for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Let's go. Nails. Honey, look at these nails Dollar Tree got. Honey, when I tell you they ain't playing, look at this. This is so cute. Really, really cute. These are nice. Now, all of them is 12 pieces, okay, for $1.25. These are really, really nice. Green is my favorite color, okay? Brown and green, it really is, but green just takes it to. Okay. Now, this is the Onyx. Really, really cute. The bag. We seen this. Okay. Bag included. Nail necessities. Now, they come in 2 different colors. It's 7 pieces to this kit. Doll faces. They come in pink. They also have the green. Love this. Now, if you guys are looking for some mascara, some of the girls said this wasn't good. Like one person said that, but when I tell you this is good, honey, this eats. I have this on as we speak right now. Okay, love this. The Lift and Lock for $1.25. Absolutely amazing. Now, Dollar Tree, this location, they have the Prideful foundation. Now, I believe this comes in like one color, one shade. It's called See Me, $1.25. We also have, this is fairly new, makeup brush cleaner bowl that comes in 2 different colors. They have the pink, and then they also have this purple right here. Love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the dark spot patches over here. Oh, you get, 24 of these. This is good. I like this one better, you know? And I talk about the orchid, the stickers that they have that they sell, like to get rid of inflammation and stuff like this, but I definitely like this one better because the other ones that they be selling, they be like different colors and stuff, and this one, it appears to be, I believe, clear. Now, Dollar Tree also have the feminine wipes over here. You get 16 individual wipes for $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these Moonlit Glow Brightening Under Eye Mask with 24 karat gold and vitamin C. One pair for $1.25. I absolutely love like the face masks that they sell, the acai smoothie, probiotic yogurt, the clay face mask. Honey, they have so many masks. They even have the hand mask, super dewy pomegranate facial sheet mask. They have so many, honey. So if you want to get your spa on, come to Dollar Tree. You could get you a few items. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Jade massager. Okay, that's what we just gonna say. $1.25 from Be Pure. They also have the bath fizzer with soap, ocean breeze scented, $1.25 as well. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Calming Lavender foot mask. These are $1.25. They also have the peppermint and tea tree oil foot mask, $1.25. Okay, so I finally found them, the Prom Art markers, okay, at Nutley Dollar Tree. This is the fabric markers. You get 5 of these for $1.25. Now, I know this has been going crazy in the Dollar Tree streets, okay? The girls been showing these. These are quick dry, all right? Now, they also have the Fabric Tech, I think permanent fabric adhesive, grabs fast, dries clear, acid free, washable. This is $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have, this is the first time I'm seeing that, is this white window marker. This is $1.25. Okay, this appears to be the only color that Dollar Tree currently have at this location now. Honey, amazing items at Dollar Tree. I still can't get over they Beauty and Planet. You know, me seeing this at Dollar Tree is showing that they improved. Okay, they improved. Now that's $1.25. You know, that's a Target brand. I gotta just mention it every video every time I come across it. Now they also have this shampoo right here, and this is with a Barstool brand shampoo and conditioner, Golden Hour. This has vanilla Madagascar, vanilla, and smooth brandy. Okay, $1.25. Alright, so I heard you fancy folks was around here looking for a name brand. Onyx Bathhouse, Dollar Tree definitely has it. The Beach Vacay Daiquiri with coconut oil, foam, and body scrub, $1.25. Now, this is the one that I was talking about that is really, really good. And according to the Yuka app, okay, that this has safe ingredients in there, okay? So this is the Super Berry Brightening Double Serum with vitamin C. This is $1.25. The Super Berry Glow Boosting Clay Mask, Exfoliate and Jelly Cleanser with hyaluronic acid. And then, of course, they have the Hydrate and Jelly Cream. Now, the one that I use, the one that I have is this one. This one is really good. Absolutely love this. $1.25. Not bad at all. Now, they also have the Fancy Food Temporary Hair Color. Honey, I just can't get, let us know in the comment section if you fancy folks have used this. This is $1.25. Now, other items Dollar Tree has is this hair toys texture paparazzi froth. Honey, let us know in the comment section if you guys have ever tried this, and if so, how was it? Or glitzy lemon berry glowy, okay, flowy, and I know we know it. Now, cherry sparkle, this is a face toner, $1.25. This is tea tree. This detoxifies and clears skin. Tea tree oil with glycolic acid. And then they also have this one, vitamin E with hyaluronic acid, $1.25. Honey, this is a steal deal. You get what I'm saying? Now, they also have the Edge Wax. This was definitely a no-go for me, honey, just in my opinion. My humble opinion, just a no-go. Now, Dollar Tree also have these peptide facial serums, vitamin A, C, E, and collagen. Normally from Global Beauty, it's pretty good. Some of the serums is good, but you just want to do your, due diligence. But that's why I am here, okay? Love bugs. Now, this is $1.25. All right, so Dollar Tree said, ready or not, Christmas is here. They have these gorgeous hand-painted ornaments. Ooh, I like that. They also have these ornaments. I seen these last year. The Santas. These are nice. Seen those. They also have the poinsettias. And let me tell you something. Don't correct me in the comment section. Talk about poinsettias. Honey, is poinsettias. All right. They also have these snowman ornaments over here. Now, all of these are $1.50. Really, really cute. Given. Look at the little penguin. Or shall I say the chunky penguin. $1.50. They also have the ornament hooks out already. Ornaments. I absolutely love this Dollar Tree. I mean, oh my goodness, honey, they be out here delivering. They also have the larger ornaments over here. You see the lights. Really, really cute. Now, these ornaments, I absolutely love these. These are so, so cute. These are the larger ornaments that comes in different colors. Really cute. They also have the hand-painted, let me see, the hand-painted ornaments over here. These are cute with the reindeer. These look fairly new. I don't remember those last year. Really, really cute. Honey, Dollar Tree said, you name it, we gonna bring it. Then, of course, they have more Christmas theme items over here. This is pretty much the DIY section, like the felt ornament kit, the felt finger puppet kit. This is cute. Look at this. Really nice. These are $1.50. The confetti, different colors, silver, yellow, and then green and red. They also have the bells over here. You can ring my bells, ring my bells. They also have the signs, the decors over here, merry and bright. I know that's right. Really, really cute. Now, if you guys are looking for Halloween costumes for your children, Dollar Tree definitely has these Halloween costumes. These are $1.50. Now, mainly over here is just masks, and then they have the tiara Jews over here. These are, I believe, $1.75 if I ain't mistaken. This is really, really cute. One year I brought my youngest daughter Amani this. Honey, she was rocking a tiara for a little while, but those earrings were nowhere to be found. And if you guys are into comic books, or your children are, Dollar Tree, they have the Nightwing over here, Flash, honey, I was about to say Splash, Green Arrow, Flash Rebirth, Scooby-Doo, Where Are You, Penguin, honey, they out here delivering. Now, do understand that Dollar Tree is carrying these at certain Dollar Tree locations. This is the tapered curling wand, and this retails for $10 at Dollar Tree. I think this is a steal deal like Holyfield, okay? Really, really good for $10. I know some Dollar Trees carry them, so you just want to be on the lookout if that's what you're looking for. Honey, when I tell you this granola look tasty, but it don't feel that clumpy. You know, I like my granola real clumpy. You get what I'm saying? Like the clusters. Let me know in the comment section if you folks had this. Now, if you guys are looking for some fabulous hair accessories, look at these hair accessories. These are absolutely gorgeous. The little starfish over here, well, big starfish, $1.25. Love this. Really, really gorgeous. Really cool.